pitfall number 3 for why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions. Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in this video, I will share with us what is the common reason number 3 for why people are failing in their New Year's resolution. And this is lack of a plan. I remember in 2019, me and my family, we decided to have a road trip through Europe. And we had a plan. We planned everything. When do we start? We start from our town. We go through France, through the Eurotunnel. We'll be there around 11 p.m. After that, from France, we're going to Germany. We'll travel maybe for 7-8 hours. Then we'll go to Ulm. We will sleep there. We will take a tour of the town over there. After that, we'll go to Croatia. And we had all this plan until we get to the final point A, B, C, and we had this plan, and it's called an action plan. And when we are talking about resolution mastery and New Year's resolutions, we have to have a plan, not just a plan, but action plan. In other words, if I want to get fit, it's a good intention of mine. And when I'm clear about what I want, like running 5K by April, then I have to be really specific, have a really small milestones to really divide all these big plan into smaller steps. And I'm running step by step, but I have to have plan for this action plan. I have to be more specific with my time management. I have to prioritize my priorities and to know what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. And also I have to really be focused on what I'm doing. But without action plan, without literally putting my agenda, the time slots for my running, for my exercises, nothing will happen. And I have to have this plan in place. Creating and developing the planning skills is really important for changing our life and staying on track. Also, this clear plan will help us to stay focused, to know I'm running half a mile up to 2 weeks, which means that 3 days a week, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm getting up a little bit early, half an hour early, I'm doing my exercises and I'm running around the block, running as much as I can. I go take a shower and then go to work. This might be your plan. If you want to be fit, you have to be serious about this thing. And we talked in the first pitfall. You have to be clear what you want. And if you want to be fit and running is your tool, this is just an example. It can be everything. It can be in the area of your finances. It can be in the area of your relationships. It can be in the area of your mental health. It can be in a different area. And it doesn't matter. The principles are the same. We need a plan to execute. And if I wanted to be fit and running is my tool to accomplish this goal, to be fit, then I need a plan. When I'm running, how I'm running, am I running with someone else? How I'm doing it? And just to have this plan, stick with the plan, and the plan will help me to build my, not just confidence, but to build the character, to keep me on track, to keep me focused and to know what I'm doing next. That's why we need to divide the big goal into smaller ones, milestones, which are like a stepping points of us to go to the next step, to the next step, to the next step. And this builds the discipline. And it's the other thing which is important is stay flexible. You can change your plan, you can adjust it, you can improve it. But without a plan, clear plan of action, and this is really key word, I love action. I love doing it. We talked about a little bit earlier that it's doing that will change your life. When you do something different, will really bring something new into your life. Without doing, nothing will happen. Not just with talking, even not just with planning. The plan will help us to do something about what we really want. So actual action plan, it's really, really key for us to be able to achieve our goals and our desires. So thank you for your time. In the next video, I will share what is the reason number 4 why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.